Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen, and I'd like to introduce to you our 2019 Mitsubishi RVR SE all-wheel control. This vehicle is finished in a beautiful gray exterior with a nice charcoal black cloth interior. Checking out the passenger side seats here, you'll be able to see that you got a lot of leg space here, a lot of head space, this being an SUV, with adjustability in the backrest and forward and back movements. Coming over now to the rear seat space. Rear bench space gives you a lot of head space, a lot of leg space, a nice stadium style seating here as well, so the rear seats are higher than the front seats, giving you a nice open view of the outside. Coming around now to the rear cargo area, lots of space here. You got a nice cutout here on the left and on the right side, as well as a nice little cargo cover or a cargo shelf if you like to put your tissue boxes or anything on the top. The vehicle is a 60-40 split, so you can fold down those second row seats as well to get into it. The driver's side here gives you full adjustability, height, backrest, and forward and back. This vehicle does not have lumbar support. Looking over here, you have all of your window and door controls. Nice newer design Mitsubishi steering wheel here. This vehicle currently has 60,503 kilometers on it. Checking out the infotainment, you have Bluetooth audio, AM, FM, Sirius XM. You also do have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay if you were to plug in your USB. You have climate control here, automatic as well, so set it and forget it. Down low you got two USBs, your heated seats, your traction control button, a nice little cubby, and you have Mitsubishi's all-wheel drive. That will cycle you through all-wheel drive lock, four-wheel drive lock, two-wheel drive, and four-wheel drive auto. The two-wheel drive helps save a little bit of fuel, I would guess. Perfect for city driving, but during the winter you could turn on the different modes to get the most out of this vehicle. Down here you also have another 12-volt outlet and a nice sized cargo area. This vehicle does still fall under Mitsubishi's 10-year warranty that they like to tout on their vehicles, and it comes loaded with a bunch of features that will help with your day-to-day life. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you this RVR that we have in the lot as one of the value subcompact SUVs that we have. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and we hope to help you soon. Take care.